Welcome back to the kitchen. Today we are going to be making bacon jalapeno poppers on the RecTeq. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss out on any of our other videos, as well as liking and sharing. Thanks guys.
Set your grill to 350 degrees.
Ingredients that you're gonna need are jalapenos, bacon, cream cheese, paprika. I also recommend using a little bit of some kind of a spice blend in the cream cheese. I've used Old Bay seasoning before. In this case, I'm gonna be using the Southwest spice blend just to kind of mix things up a little bit. But that Old Bay seasoning works pretty good as well. Next, cut the jalapenos in half, leaving the stems if possible. Next, remove the seeds and the veins. Now that the seeds are removed, it's time to prepare the cream cheese. In a bowl, combine seasoning and cream cheese and mix thoroughly. After the cream cheese is mixed thoroughly, it is time to add it to the jalapenos. Fill each jalapeno evenly with cream cheese. Lightly season with paprika, and then you're ready to wrap them with bacon. You want to wrap the peppers so some of the cream cheese at the end is exposed, and if necessary, secure the bacon with a toothpick. Place the jalapenos cream cheese side up on a wire rack. Place the jalapenos in the grill at 350 degrees and grill for 30 to 40 minutes, or until the bacon has become brown and the jalapenos have become tender. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Appreciate it, guys.